Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable shortcut notification on iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to click on your shortcut app on your iPhone, and the only best way for you to disable notification from shortcut app on your iPhone is by clicking on the automation. Automation is an option where you have access to all your shortcuts you've opened or you create on your iPhone. So I'm going to use this particular one as an example, this particular shortcut. So for me to block notification from this particular shortcut using this automation, I just simply turn this off, ask before running. Once turn it off, you can see don't ask before running. Whenever this automation is triggered, it will perform actions as on your behalf without asking you first. So once you turn this off, with this there will not be a notification that keep popping up from your shortcut anytime that you are using any form of automation you set or you create in your shortcut. Find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.